So we're on a call out, an emergency gate call out in Cardiff. This is an existing CAME system that the client has had installed for about 4 years. We don't really install CAME for this very reason. So the client has had, if you come and have a look, the client has had to have, down here, if you can see. So as you can see here, the client has had a new motor here, new chain drive. The reason being this gate actually, this gate, that one, this gate here has had to have a new chain drive because it opens past 90 degrees. So it's had a new motor, new chain drive, new gear on that side, and it all had to be fitted. On this opposite side, it has had, the gate has had a new casing, new lid, new connection there, but now we've just discovered that this motor's gone. So that is probably around another £1,000 bill that the client's going to get for a new motor. So my word of advice is don't buy CAME.